guys! Welcome back again to our channel. We will be making today moist banana bread. So we need 1 cup of white sugar, 2 tablespoons of fresh milk. We need 1/2 cup of canola oil or vegetable oil, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1 piece egg. Then we need 3 ripe bananas and 2 cups of all-purpose flour. We also need walnuts, and you can also use chocolate chips for toppings. We will start with mashing our bananas, and make sure guys it's really ripe bananas so that the outcome will be very moist. Mix all the dry ingredients, add the salt and the baking soda. So make sure you already preheated your oven at 180 degrees. In a separate bowl, we need to add our oil, white sugar, then our 1 piece of egg. So we need to mix this up and then also add the vanilla. Ayan, okay na yung butter natin. We need to add up our flour into 2 batches. And then we need to add our mashed bananas. After this, you will be adding the last part of our dry ingredients. Then lastly, the fresh milk. So i-mix nyo lang ng mabuti guys. So please guys ha, sa hindi pa po nakasubscribe sa aming channel, please subscribe to our channel, Balong Anyana, and click the notification bell below so that you will be updated with our new videos. Now, ilalagay na natin yung mixture natin sa ating loaf pan. Then, we will be baking this one for 30 to 40 minutes. Remember guys, magkakaiba po yung oven natin, so it may take longer for you to cook. Depende po yan. So, better check every now and then. Now I am adding our walnuts for toppings. You can also use chocolate chips or any kind of nuts that you like. Ayan na guys, luto na po yung banana bread natin. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy our video for today.